after such a rigorous process of selection. I'm all excited to start my journey at LBSIM.
Same here. I am also excited to explore everything about LBSIM. Let's go. They seem to be our seniors. Let us ask them if they can help us to know about the institute.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Hi seniors, my name is Lavisha and I'm here to pursue PGDM Research in Business Analytics.
Hello, my name is Harshit and I'm here to pursue PGDM Finance.
Hi guys, I'm Mehak and I'm from the second year of PGDM Finance, and this is Sauramya.
And I am pursuing PGDM General.
So how are you guys doing?
All well.
Could you help us to know more about the institute?
Of course, in fact, Sauramya and I can give you a tour of the institute.
That would be great.
Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management was established in the year 1995 to perpetuate the memory of India's second Prime Minister, Bharat Ratna Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. It takes pride in being recognized as a pioneering institution providing value-based business education. It is one of the leading institutes with a distinct philosophy and a mission to nurture and groom socially sensitive business leaders with a global outlook, supported by strategic national and international partnerships.
So guys, let's head over to the reception.
Yeah, sure.
So Harshit, this is our reception area, and as you can see, the walls are adorned with the recipients of the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award for Excellence. This award was instituted by LBSIM in 1998, and every year it is presented in the Rashtrapati Bhavan or the VP House by the President of India or the Vice President of India.
It must be a great feeling to be associated with an institute which has such a rich legacy.
Indeed it is. Now come on, let us ask ma'am if we can meet our director, Dr. Deepak Srivastava sir. Good morning sir, how are you?
Yes, good morning Mehak, how are you?
Sir, I am very well.
Okay, so you are back from your internship?
Yes sir, yes sir.
What was your company?
Sir, I interned with Deloitte USI in the risk division for analytics.
Okay, very good, congratulations Mehak.
Sir, we are giving a tour to the junior batch of the institute and we'd like to hear a message from your side to the entire junior batch.
Oh yes, as a director of this institute, I welcome the Silver Jubilee batch of Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, and I wish all the best because this batch would be joining virtually, and this batch would basically be doing in the area of business continuity planning and resilience planning, which is very important these days. I hope that the students of this institute would be able to contribute to the society and to the industry in the best manner possible. I wish all the best once again and congratulations for joining this institute and best wishes. Thank you.
I'm happy to hear the motivating message of our director and even more excited to look around the institute now.
So Harshit, let me give you a tour of our institute and Sauramya can help Lavisha with the same.
Yes, sure. Come Lavisha, let's go.
Let's go. So Harshit, this is our auditorium. As you can see, it can easily accommodate both the first year students and the second year students with room to spare. So do you know that throughout the year we organize several events like national conferences, guest lectures and symposia wherein experts from both the industry as well as the academia are invited to share their insights with the students.
And cultural programs.
Great! This means that at LBSIM we don't just get classroom learning but experiential learning as well.
Indeed we do. Under the guidance of our chairman, Shri Anil Shastri ji, LBSIM has thrived to become one of the premier business management schools in the entire nation. Just like any ship has its captain's room wherein all the major decisions take place and the future plan is charted, LBSIM has its boardroom as well. Over here, the respective board members come together and decide the future for LBSIM, which is basically for us Shastrians. For regular industry interaction and corporate interfaces, we have a dedicated MDP room that serves its purpose. So Harshit, this is the room of the powerhouse of LBSIM, Dr. G.L. Sharma sir. His undying love for teaching and his students have brought many alumni to the positions that they are today. And along with Dr. G.L. Sharma sir, we have our Assistant Placement Officer, Mr. Naresh Wadhwa as well, Management Grid, the student-driven management body of LBSIM. It is their responsibility to ensure all the management activities at our institute so that the day-to-day functioning goes smoothly. They are also responsible for the student-driven cells in our institute, as well as taking care of all the hostel facilities and our annual fest Tatva.
Are the students amongst us?
Yes, in fact, they are from our batch itself and they are chosen through a rigorous set of interviews and a rigorous process to be a part of the management grid.
I wonder where Suramya and Lavisha are.
Let me now introduce you to the part where a major portion of our learning takes place, our classrooms. Our campus hosts spacious air-conditioned lecture halls and classrooms having Wi-Fi internet connectivity. All lecture halls and classrooms are equipped with whiteboard, multimedia projectors, laptops and modern sound systems. With highly motivated and dedicated faculty spread over all functional and management areas, we definitely get the best out of these classes. And soon after the lecture ends, we can meet the faculty directly for any personal doubts or guidance. The fully Wi-Fi enabled campus has 20 access points providing 24/7 internet facilities. The computer center at LBSIM has over 100 network computers providing latest licensed software and hardware.
I've also heard about Analytics Lab at LBSIM. Could you brief me about it?
Yes, sure. The Analytics Lab at LBSIM provides latest tools required for predictive analysis, descriptive analysis, business analytics and business big data analysis, supported by IBM India, IBM Emos, eViews and SAS India.
Welcome to the computer labs. We have around 100 nodes in there. So all the papers like Excel programming, data programming papers, big data analytics, we conduct hands-on activity. So the lab is managed by the lab staff. We have Mr. Rajesh and we also have Mr. Lalit who take care of all the support and maintenance.
We have an up-to-date finance lab with the support of Bloomberg India. This lab has 12 terminals with a seating capacity of 24 students. Good morning, sir. Could you please elaborate more on the same?
From Bloomberg Lab, students can access information related to commodity market, financial market, currency market, extract real-time reports, and they can also go for various certification related to finance area.
We do have a girls' common room. You can have a look. Get ready now. You are about to see one of the best libraries in the Delhi NCR area. Welcome to the Mecca of our knowledge.
Good morning students. Welcome to LBSIM library that has excellent resources, services and infrastructure. Right now we have more than 40,000 books and access to approximately 10,000 periodicals.
Thank you, ma'am.
Would you like to check out the Emerald databases and EBSCO host research platforms that our library hosts?
Sure, that would be great. I've heard a lot about these resources and services.
We have been hosting prestigious electronic resources like Emerald, EBSCO, SAGE, CRISIL to name a few. Someday when I will complete my research paper, I will definitely present it at one of the national conferences we host in the AV room.
AV room? What's that?
Oh yeah, it's good that you reminded me. Come. The AV room, a 70-seater hall, is equipped with 2 LCD displays, smart boards and video conferencing facility. It can support 3 systems at 3 different locations and can also broadcast the program in the auditorium. I wish to present my research paper here someday, just like our delegates do.
Great. It must be an enriching experience to have people from so many domains and share their findings with you.
So guys, welcome to the most chilled out place at LBSIM.
Really excited for it.
So this modern and well furnished 2-story cafeteria offers a variety of cuisines that you can get for breakfast, lunch and dinner from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. It caters to the needs of students, the faculty and the staff by offering them home-styled food.
I'm sure this is going to be a networking ground too.
This is just the beginning. We also have a well-furnished TT room and facilities for indoor games like chess, carom, etc.
This is going to be fun.
Meanwhile, if you end up with any muscular pain during playing or any other health issue occurs, we also have a doctor's room.
So Lavisha, this common area that you can see over here is called our amphitheatre. This place has been the source of various cherished memory of us Shastrians. Various activities are conducted over here like the Diwali celebration, Dandiya night and so many club activities.
So, I hope after giving you all a walkthrough of the LBSIM campus, you are all very excited to visit the campus soon.